In this video, I'm going to show you a simple way that you can extract pages from a PDF file. This is extremely easy and completely for free. So what you need to do is find your PDF file, and what I would do is right click on it, then go to open with, and just open it with Microsoft Edge. Once you've done that, you can then click on the print icon in the top right hand corner. That will open up the print window, and what you need to do is change it to save as PDF. Once you've done that, you can then go to pages, and here you can click on this fourth box and you can enter in the pages that you want to extract. So this is a 20-page PDF, so I could say I want to extract pages 12 to 18. I could also go ahead and list the pages one by one, separating the page numbers by commas. But I'm going to do it like this, 12 to 18, we'll click save. I'll just rename this as PDF and we'll click on save. Okay, so now we have downloaded that PDF, which we can go ahead and open. And now you can see we've got 7 pages and we've extracted all of the pages that we wanted from this PDF file. So that is pages 12 to 18.